Hey guys, Boston Chris here with another how-to video. If you are a streamer slash content creator out there, I'm going to show you how to take your Twitch clips and put them out as a YouTube short, TikTok video, or Instagram reel, all from the same amazing tool called Join Combo. Check it out. So this right here is joincombo.com. I will try to put that into the description down below, a link to this. I am not supported or sponsored by this website at all, but I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite websites out there. Oops. When it comes to content creation, okay? So obviously I have a bunch of Twitch clips, right? And I can take my Twitch clips, which are right here. You can see this is my library imported from Twitch. So all you got to do is link your Twitch to this website, which is completely easy to do. You can also upgrade to Pro. I'm not sure what that does. Maybe somebody can comment down below if you are familiar with what the Pro version of this does. But you got two choices. You can either go to your library or your inbox. Your inbox is where you've already uploaded a video, okay? So this is where I have some of my videos uploaded, okay? So the one I want to use for today is probably this one right here, I think. Let me make sure I have that one downloaded onto my PC as well. I don't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this as well. Okay, so we're going to download that one. Okay. And you can preview it right here, which is pretty cool. So you can preview it. And the first place I'm going to put this, you have three choices here. You got the TikTok symbol, you've got the YouTube symbol, and you've got the Instagram symbol. Now, I put this on all three of them each day. So the first place I'm going to put this is on YouTube Shorts, okay? And this makes it into a short automatically, okay? And I'm going to show you all of that also. Actually, you know what? Let me start this from the beginning, okay? Because this is pretty cool. So what you do is you take a clip from Twitch, okay? So we're going to take, say, this one right here, okay? And it gives you four options to pick a template, okay? So you can use portrait, face cam, which puts your face cam in a bubble up here at the top, landscape, which essentially keeps it the same as a horizontal clip with kind of the backgrounds out of focus above and below it. Then you got split, which puts your face cam at the top. And you got square, which turns it from a rectangle into a square. Personally, I like to use portrait because it turns it into the 16:9 ratio. Okay? And so then we come into this screen here. And I'm going to make this clip a little bit longer down the bottom so I can edit it. And we're going to do this. We'll click on this so that way I can delete or split. All right. So we're going to pause it there. We're going to split it, split the end off. We'll delete that. And for some reason, you always want to split the end of it off first before going back to the beginning, because it won't export sometimes when you do it the other way around. So I'm going to split it here as well, and then we're going to delete it off the front. Move the green line back to the beginning, and then move your clip over to the beginning of the thing. And we're going to watch the clip again. It's now 10 seconds long. And then we're going to export it out, okay? It will render up here, and then it will come into my inbox, Okay? But the cool thing about Combo is I can actually upload it to the three places right here. Okay, obviously you have to link your YouTube, your Instagram, and your TikTok. But here, I can link this right here, and then I can put never lay down in PUBG. And then I can put my hashtags right here. And then I always put the link to my Twitch in the description, and it requires a description. All right, so then I upload that to YouTube. Okay, and it shows right up here that it's uploaded successfully. And I can do the same thing to Instagram Reels. Upload that to Instagram Reels. And then I can do the same thing to TikTok as well. Okay? And that'll just send it over to TikTok for you to edit it on TikTok. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Now, the cool thing is it also sends that to your inbox over here. Okay? So there's the video we just made right there in my inbox, and I can download that straight to my PC. So again, you can just do this straight from Twitch. So here's another one. Let's just do this real quick, and I'll show you guys how fast I can do this. It's really, really nice. Okay. Click on the video. Pause it. Clip off the end. Go back to the beginning. We're going to pause it right here. Split it out. Delete the beginning. Move the green line back to the beginning. Slide the clip over. Export. And then just make sure it renders, because sometimes it won't. Sometimes it can be a little bit stuffy or stubborn. Okay. But yeah, then you can just exit Studio and go to the next clip, which is right here. And I mean, you could do this with your clips all day. Now, if you wanted to put your camera, or you wanted to, you could do this, right? You just move this over to here, and then you can move your camera.
That's why I don't drive in this game unless I absolutely have to.
So we can do that, then we can continue. Okay, and then you've got your camera at the top like that, see? Which is pretty cool. But as you can see now, you've got two things that you have to cut up at the bottom. Two different clips, two different lines. But yeah, that's how you use Join Combo. JoinCombo.com, an awesome tool to turn your clips into YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos. Super easy, super fast. Comment down below if you have the pro version of this and what it does for you. I would love to know. And like the video if you found this helpful, and I will see you down the road. Thanks for watching.